Dylan, can you just explain your perspective tonight defensively and being able to score 8 and 9 drives in?
Yeah, I mean, we didn't do enough right in multiple different facets, and the result of that was them able to move the ball at will almost. So, got to get back to the drawing board this week, look at what we're doing, and as players, just control what we control, and try to get better as we move on, and keep climbing. It's week 4, so season's not over. All our dreams and our aspirations are still ahead of us. So, just got to eat this shit sandwich and keep moving.
Coach Henry talked about missed tackles after the Western Michigan game, but some more of that tonight. Just what do you think they were able to get once yards after contact, whether it's receivers or running backs?
Yeah, I mean the backs, the receivers, they were able to stay up well after contact, and that ended up hurting us. So same as the last question, we kind of just gotta go back to the drawing board. We gotta critique what we can critique, and just be ready to put something better out next Saturday night.
It's like RPO, they were really comfortable in that. What makes the way they go about the RPO a challenge for you guys?
Yeah, it's tough. They did a good job about it. They lull you to sleep on throwing the ball out there, and then they hand it off inside, and it's a tough thing to play against, and we got to find ways to take that away from teams, and so that we're able to take that away and just be stout in the run game.
How difficult is it for you guys as a unit when you keep losing guys to injury throughout the game?
Yeah, I mean, obviously you'd love to have the 11 that you start the game, finish the game. It's hard to keep plugging and playing, and but that's the standard. It doesn't matter if it's the first team out there or the third team out there. We need to find a way to go out there and execute.
Seems like their speed and quickness was a factor in the game a little bit, and you're going to play some other teams with similar athleticism here coming up. How do you counter that as a defense?
I mean, yeah, like you said, we'll be playing a lot of teams with speed. We played a lot of teams with speed across the years. So, I think, just got to move on from tonight. I don't think it's a skill discrepancy or anything along those lines. So, just got to, again, eat the shit sandwich and keep moving.
Dylan, you played a lot of ball. Like, is the missed tackles, can that be a thing that gets contagious from one week to the next, to the next, to the next, or can you flush it and get it stopped?
I mean, it can if you let it weigh on you, but I just think, I think it's important to have the flush it and just play the next play mentality, because if you're living in the past, if you're worrying about if you're going to miss the tackle or not, at the end of the day, it's not going to allow you to play at your best potential.
Dylan, one more sandwich. How do you do that? Like, what are the next couple of days and the next week like for you guys to be able to learn from this rather than let it affect you?
Right. I mean, Sunday we come in tomorrow, same time as always. We get the film in, we learn from the mistakes, we find how we're going to critique it, we put that into play, and we attack this week like it's the next big week. I mean, a big quote that I like is, can you commit to the process without being emotionally tied to results? So we didn't have the result we wanted tonight, but at the end of the day, we got to commit to the process just as we did this week.
Anything else to walk us through the emotions of after suffering a loss of this caliber? Just walk us through the emotions right after.
Yeah, I mean, it sucks. I think it's pretty plain and simple. It sucks, but it is what it is. Like I said, it's week 4. This is a long season. It's not you can't let this eat at you. So it sucks. We're gonna feel it. We got a long bus ride here. We're gonna feel it. But I mean, tomorrow we're gonna come in. We're gonna make the corrections, and at the end of the day, we gotta flush it and move on to USC.